Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Get the best of both worlds in this versatile, capable Avalanche. A thoughtful blending of pickup utility and SUV comfort and convenience are yours in this stylish, family-friendly truck. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, Bluetooth, trailer hitch, locking limited slip differential, stability control, intermittent wipers, running boards, tow hooks. Don't sacrifice comfort to get utility. Enjoy the best of both in this stylish Avalanche. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.